predecessor, and we studied about how to expand the numbers. Yes, in this class we'll learn about how to write the numbers in the what form? In the comparison form. Okay, how to compare the numbers, which is the biggest, which is the smallest, that all things we'll study in this class. Before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our wellness and for our studies. Okay, in the previous class we studied about what? We studied about how to compare the, how to write the short form, how to write the expanded form. Yes, how to write the successor, how to write the predecessor. Yes, you all understood how to write that all things. We'll move on to the next content, that is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. When we have two numbers, when we have two different numbers, how to compare them? How to tell that which is the greatest and which is the smallest number? We have some more rules for this. We have some 5 rules for this. First rule is, we'll study about first rule. Okay, we'll study about first rule. The first rule is, the number with a more digit is greater. The number with more digits is greater. Okay, consider they given a first rule number 1. Rule 1. First one, we have 5 rules in this case, comparison of numbers. Okay, first numbers they given. Example for this, 2638 and one more number is 459. See here children, 2638, 1 2 3 4. How many digits are there in this case? 4 digits are there. Yes, and then one more number is 54959. How many digits are there? 1 2 3. 3 digits are there. Yes, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Yes, we have 4 digits and 3 digits. They are telling to compare these two numbers. They are telling to compare these numbers. How do we have to compare, children? We have to see the digits. How many digits we have? How many digits? This is 4, this is 3. So easily we can identify that 4 digit is greater than the 3 digit number. That is 2638 is greater than 459. This is the rule 1. When we have a different types of digits, when we have a different types of digits, like we have 4 digit and 3 digit, then easily we can find which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Seeing the digits numbers. Okay, rule 1 is this only. The second one, rule 2. We'll move on to the rule 2. Rule 2. Rule 2. In the rule 2, what is the same? We'll read it. If two given numbers have the same number of digits, compare the digits in the left extremes of the two numbers. The number having the greater digit is greater. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ರೂಲ್ ಒಳಗ, when we have a different types of digits, we studied about that. In rule 2, when we have a same digits, when we have a same number of digits, for example, they given a example here. First one, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. Okay, here we have what? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. Yes, 4 digits are there. And next one more number is 5 6 7 8. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 digits. So both the cases, how many digits we have? 4 only. E type idaga ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? We have to see the first place. We have to see first place of the digits. We have to see first place of the digit and we have to start comparing. Okay, we have to see the first digit of the numbers. So here 1 is there, here 5 is there. So which is the greater number here? This is the 5 is a greater number. This number is greater than this. Easily we can see. When in which case? When we have two digits are same. When we have both the digits have a same numbers. When the both the numbers have same digits. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is greater than 1, 2, 3. In the case of when we have a 4 digit in the both the cases. When we have a same number of digits in the both the cases, we have to see first number of the digit. First number of the digits. And we have to compare. Rule 2. Now we'll move on to the rule 3. Rule 3. Rule 3. Turn the page number 82, children. 83. If the digits on the left extremes of both the given numbers are same, compare the next digit of the two numbers. Idenata now first case when we have a different number of digits we studied. In the second case, when we have both the digits are same, we compare using the first number. Using the first number we compare. After doing this, in rule 3 we have when we have a same number of digits and the first number is also same, then how we have to compare? We'll see it here. Okay, when we have, for example, the given 7, 6, 3, 5 and 7, 8, 9, 6. 7, 6, 3, 5 and 7, 8, 9, 6. Okay, we'll write it here. 7, 6, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digit. This is also 4 digit. And 7, 8, 9, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. This is also, yes, this is also 4 digit and this is also 4 digit. Okay. Now in case we seeing the first number, but here the first number is also same. So we have to see the second place of the number. We have to see second place of the number. Second place. So now compare. 8 is greater or 6 is greater? 8 is greater. So easily we can tell that 7, 8, 9, 6 is greater than 7, 6, 3, 5. 7, 8, 9, 6 is greater than 7, 6, 3, 5. Okay. In the first place we seen about the digit place. In the second place we seen about the first place. In the third rule we seen about the second place. We compare the second place. Yes, we compare the second place. Now rule 4. Now rule 4. If the two digits from the left extremes are equal in both the given numbers, compare the next digit. How the next rule? Next rule andra rule 4. Rule 4. When we have the example given 8, 5, 3, 6 and 8, 5, 1, 2. Okay. When we have a 4 digit numbers, both the cases we have 4 digit only. Okay. 8, 5, 3, 6 is also 4 digit. 4 digit. And 8, 5, 1, 2. This is also what? 4 digit. Okay. After getting that both are 4 digit, we have to see the first place. First place is also same. We have to see the second place. Second place is also same. After seeing both the cases, we have to see the third place. We have to see the third place. When both the numbers are same, first digit and second digit is also same, then we have to see the third place and start comparing. Third place again other, in 1 other, in 3 other. So which is the greatest now? This is the greater number. 8, 5, 3, 6 is greater than 8, 5. Like this we compare. Okay? Like this we compare. Then last rule, rule number 5. Rule number 5. When we have all the in the 4 digit numbers, all the 3 numbers are same, then we have to see the last number. Then we have to see the last digit. That which is the greater in that now, that is the greater number. The rule 5 is the example 9, 6, 2, 1 and 9625. Okay, both the cases we have 4 digit only. Both are what? 4 digit numbers only. Yes, both are what? 4 digit numbers only. Now 9621, 9625. This number also same, second number also same, third number also same. We have to see the fourth number. So which is the greatest? 1 is greater or 5 is greater? 1 is a smaller number, 5 is a greater number. So this is the greater number. 9625 is greater than 9621. Now understood how to compare the numbers? We have 5 rules. We have 5 rules. First rule is the comparing the digits. How many digits we have, according to that we have to compare. Next one, when we have a same digit, when we have a same number of digits, we have to see the first number and we have to compare. Rule 3 is when we have a same digits and first number is also same, we have to see the second number and start comparing. Rule 4, when we have both the digits are same and first place and second place also same, then we have to see the third place. Okay, and start comparing. Rule 5, when we have what? When we have both the digits are same and all the 3 numbers also same, then we have to see the last number, the lastmost number we have to see, and we have to compare the numbers and tell the greater number and the smaller number. Understood how to compare the numbers? This is the concept of comparison. This is the concept of what? Comparison. Understood how to compare the numbers? Here we did only 4 digit. Like this we can compare with a 5 digit also, 6 digit also, 7 digit also, and more than that also. But the procedure will be same. Procedure will be what? Same. Yes? Procedure will be same. But we can increase the digits also. Now we'll move on to our exercise. We'll solve the exercise now. Page number 83, children. Open page number 83, all of you. Exercise number 1.3. Yes, 1.3. First one, first main. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Yes, smallest to biggest number. We have to write smallest to biggest number. First example, they given 4 numbers there. They given 4 numbers. We have to arrange that in ascending order. First question number 1A. I will write the question also. 15,62,321. 7 crores 51,38,008. Next one. 2 crore 9,53,173. Next number. 8 crore 35,10,401. Okay, these are the different numbers they given. Different numbers they given. We have to arrange in ascending order. We'll write it now. We'll write it now. Okay, now tell me which is the greatest in this, which is the smallest in this. Okay, this is the what? This is 15 lakh 62,000. 15 lakh 62,000. Yes, 15 lakh 62,321. This is 7 crores 51,000 51 lakh 38,008. This is what? This is 2 crores 9 lakh 53,173. 173. This is 8 lakh 35,000 8 crore 35 lakh 10,401. We have to write in ascending order. The first number is okay 15 lakh 62,321. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಲಾಕ್ ಐತಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವ? ಕ್ರೋರ್ ನಾಗ ಅದಾವ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವ? ಕ್ರೋರ್ ನಾಗ ಅದಾವ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವ? ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. So lakh will be smallest number. Lakh will be smallest number. After that the next crore number, the smallest crore number. The next one is 2. 2 crore 9 lakh 53,173. आता ಈ crore price ನ ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣದು. Next crore price ನ ಯಾವುದು ಸಣ್ಣದು? Next crore price ನ ಯಾವುದು ಸಣ್ಣದು? 7 crores 51 lakh 38,008. The last highest, the last one, 8 crore 35 lakh 10,401. Okay, understood? How to? We have to see the places of all the numbers. We have lakhs also, we have crores also. So which is the smallest number here? Lakhs. Okay, lakh we have to write first. After that the crore. In the smallest crore number we have to write first. After the next crore, and after that the highest crore we have to write. Understood? How to write in ascending order? The second one is homework for your children. Second one is B1. Okay, exercise number 1.3. 1.3. Okay, first main, second sum. Homework for you. Okay, you have to do by yourself. Now we'll move on to the second main. Write in descending order. Write in what? Descending. ಈಗ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್. Okay, they given a numbers like first one 16,94,899, 14,98,960, 1 crore 40,98,960, and the last number is 84,09,658. Now write in descending order. Now write in which is the highest number here? Which is the highest number? Which is the highest number in this? First one. Which is the highest number? 1 crore 40 lakhs 98,960 is the highest. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ? 16 ಐತಿ. 16 lakh. Here 14 lakhs. Here 84 lakhs. But here we have 1 crore. So this is the highest number. So 1 crore 40 lakh 98,960. ಇದು highest ಆತ. Next highest ಆತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 84. So 84 is the highest. Next highest ಆತ. Next highest 40. The last one is 16. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲದರದ್ದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, easily we can find. Okay, easily we can find. First one we did. Second one and third one, please do it by yourself. Second one and third one. Today's homework is that only. First one we did. Okay, I will write here homework. Please copy it. First main, second sum, and second main. Today's homework is that only. Exercise number 1.3. First main, second sum, second main, second and third sum. Okay, in which book you all know? Homework book. Don't write it in classwork, in fair notes. Write in homework book only. We'll see the next part in the next class. See you tomorrow, children. Please practice it and do it.